Must-have tech gadgets to prepare for a natural disaster. You have a smartphone in your pocket. Use it. We rounded up all the ways you can use a smartphone during an emergency or natural disaster, including using the iPhone's emergency SOS via satellite, sending a text instead of calling to get around network congestion, and a myriad of apps that provide critical information. Backup batteries help keep your devices charged. It still packs plenty of power at 32,000 mAh, which is good enough to recharge most smartphones half a dozen times or so. Either way, you will want to have some sort of solar-powered backup available and charged, so you are ready for the worst. An emergency radio provides valuable information. Information is critical during a disaster, and having a radio that works whether you have power or not is vital. With the one linked above, or any similar model, you will be able to tune into AM, FM, or NOAA to learn about the disaster taking place and any necessary steps you must take to be safe. It's a cheap device to buy that could be one of the most important things you purchase for preparation. A flashlight is a staple survival item. The more flashlights with batteries you have available, the better. Have a personal water filter nearby. You need water to survive, and you cannot last long without drinkable water. Sure, you can stock bottles of water to keep you going for a while, but if you are stuck for a long time, the LifeStraw could extend your survival time by a substantial margin. For less than $20, it's worth keeping at least one of these in your home. Handheld radios for quick communication. Depending on the disaster, you might not be able to use your smartphone to make and receive calls to other members of your household. If someone needs to go out looking for supplies, having FRS radios is essential, as it will allow you to keep tabs on each other and make sure everyone is safe. As a bonus, good radios, like the ones linked above, also have NOAA weather alerts, providing you with extra information. A way to pass the time. Admittedly, an e-reader will not save your life. However, if you're stuck waiting for help to arrive, it will help you deal with boredom. A Kindle is known for having a long battery life, so you can read your books for a long time without worrying about running out of power, nor are you using your phone and Lifeline to entertain yourself, running down its battery.